In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask someone where they come from, because this is important to us as Māori. By letting people know where we come from helps us to connect with each other. For example, we may ask someone, "No hea koe, where are you from?" When we refer to this, we are really asking, where is your tūranga waiwai, or place of standing? The place you pepeha to. Possible answers could be, "No tāmaki makaurau au, I'm from Auckland." "No here taunga au, I'm from Hastings." "No ngā motu au, I'm from New Plymouth." "No pōneke au, I'm from Wellington." "No o Tautahi au, I'm from Christchurch." This tells the listener where you were born or where your whānau ties are from. However, we all know that many of us now live in another part of Aotearoa, New Zealand, not necessarily where we are connected to. And therefore, we can add this sentence. Engari kei o Tautahi au e noho ana, but I'm living in Christchurch now. Engari kei pōneke au e noho ana, but I'm living in Wellington now. Engari kei Taupō au e noho ana, but I'm living in Taupō now. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.